Bullish momentum returns as Fed holds rates, Nifty eyes all-time high. Well, if yesterday's bullish action at Dalal Strait is any indication, then it is safe to assume that the correction which had gripped Nifty over the past week may be over. The newly optimistic Nifty bulls should now be able to sustain their rally on backdrop of dovish Fed outlook. Fed stands pat on interest rates. Most importantly, Chairman Powell sounded very confident about getting consumer-level inflation down to 2% over time. At the moment, U.S. stock markets are too hot with the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq scaling record closing for the first time since 2021. Bottom line, bullish traders have mostly raised hopes for an economic soft landing. Expect Nifty's bull run to continue. Long story short, as the permabulls chill the bubbly for their long weekend and holy celebrations, we suspect Nifty bulls too will aim to wrap up the bullish week with a bang. With intermonth perspective, all bullish eyes are at Nifty's all-time high at 22,527 mark. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs net sold to the tune of Rs 1827 crores. DIIs however bought shares to the tune of Rs 3209 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Sentiment is likely to be bullish. Nifty's technicals are suggesting bullish morning star pattern. F&O data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,500 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has tumbled towards 12.51 levels. Falling VIX is in favor Nifty bulls. Nifty PCR, 28th March, is at 1.11. Nifty outlook, with intermonth perspective, all bullish eyes are at Nifty's all-time high at 22,527 mark. Nifty, CMP to 2012. Support, 21,900 to 21,800. Resistance, 22,100 to 22,200. Range, 21,800 to 22,200. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 46685. Support, 46,300 to 46,000. Resistance, 46,900 to 47,200. Range, 46,000 to 47,200. Bias, sideways to bullish. Dalal Street will first react to electoral bonds data provided by State Bank of India, including unique numbers. The Election Commission of India, ECI, has uploaded the data on electoral bonds provided by the State Bank of India. IT stocks are likely to trade sluggish as Accenture lowered its revenue forecasts on backdrop of tough global macro economy. Accenture's revised outlook anticipates full-year revenue growth to be within the range of 1% to 3% compared to its earlier projection of 2% to 5%. Please note, TCS officially sets afire the ceremonial starter's pistol for Q4 earnings season on 12 April. Meanwhile, TCS has signed a multimillion-dollar strategic partnership with Ramboll, a Danish global architecture, engineering and consultancy company. TCS did not disclose the size of the deal, but analysts said it falls under the large deal category for the IT services exporter. A large deal for TCS is typically in the $100 million and above category. Zomato is in limelight after announcing its new Pure Veg fleet tailored to meet the needs of vegetarian customers. Jupiter Vegans Limited declared acquisition of Bonatrans India Private Limited (BIPLA) for a sum of Rs 271 crore. This strategic move marks a significant milestone for Jupiter Vegans, positioning it as the first rolling stock manufacturing company to have its own wheel plant.